thunder. The Tri-Cities has been dealing with some more heavy rain. In fact, they just had to issue a flash flood warning for Washington County in Tennessee. Here this morning in East Tennessee, we're a little bit quieter. We've been noticing a few showers, and generally this rain hasn't been all too heavy so far this morning. Gatlinburg right now near Ripley's Aquarium looking quiet, but clouds have increased. Our visibility map isn't picking up on all too much. A little bit of some dense fog along the spine of the Smokies, and then again some lower visibility from Sneedville into Harlan, where they have seen some heavier rain at times this morning. It is a really warm start though. We're at 77 in Knoxville, 75 in Tazewell, 75 degrees in Morgan County as well, and 78 this morning in Alcoa. As the clouds have built in, we haven't lost any of that heat really that we had yesterday, and that's why we're starting off on the mild side. It's also very sticky to tropical across East Tennessee, tons of moisture in place right now, and the humidity is going to stay quite elevated as we go into your Friday. I want to give you an update on Storm Tracker 6 radar. I mentioned we've been seeing a few showers and rumbles of thunder. Let's zoom in a little bit. You can see most of that activity actually about to cross over into western North Carolina. We have a couple of downpours near Calderwood and Bethel, and then some showers around the Gatlinburg, Sevierville area. Most of those at this point, though, pretty light in nature. Throughout the course of this morning, you may see a few more showers or hear a stray rumble of thunder, but I really do think our rain chances today are more hit or miss. As you look at the bigger picture, there's this front further to our north, and that's going to keep us in that sticky air mass. But I did drop today's rain chance down to about 30%. I think that really this morning and maybe even this afternoon, you're just going to see some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. And because of that, temperatures still managed to get into the low 90s today. I went 91 in Knoxville, 89 today in Morristown, and 88 your forecast high in Wartburg. Even with some more clouds around, the sun is still quite strong with that UV index at a 9 today. So again, make sure you're practicing those summertime safety tips. Stay hydrated and of course wear your sunscreen. Tomorrow still looks like our better day to see scattered showers and storms, a little more widespread coverage tomorrow. We are going to be watching also a low end severe weather risk for your Saturday, but it's not a washout this weekend. Sunday looks to be mainly dry. Monday as well, also on the drier side. In fact, I even took out the rain chance for Tuesday. I think we'll see some more sunshine, but the humidity really isn't going to change even into the start of next week. It still stays quite hot and humid. Let's talk about the severe weather risk tomorrow. So they've continued to adjust this a little bit. Most of our areas still under that level 1 risk, but you'll notice that they've kind of pulled a few areas over the Southern Valley out of that risk for stronger storms tomorrow. I think that around midday, you may actually deal with some stronger thunderstorms. So let's show you the timeline forecast. Today at lunchtime, there's a few hit or miss showers and storms. During the afternoon hours, just a pop-up thunderstorm around. Not the most impressive rain chance today. As we look ahead towards Saturday morning, we get a couple storms beginning to fire up, especially west. And then this is 12:30 tomorrow. So I'd say from mid-morning into the early afternoon for your Saturday will be your best chance to see some heavier downpours. Today, though, we're up to 91 degrees. Overnight lows stay mild, falling into the low to mid 70s. Still hot and sticky tomorrow at about 87. And on the 7-day forecast, we warm back up into the low 90s next week. Tuesday through Thursday, we're expecting highs in the 90s with feels like temperatures even hotter than that.
The black